Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's start today's video. First question, how does the disease AIDS spread? The right answer is option C, by sexual contact. HIV spread from the body fluids of an infected person, including blood, breast milk, semen and vaginal fluids. It is not spread by kisses, hugs or sharing food. It can also spread from a mother to her baby. HIV can be prevented and treated with antiretroviral therapy ART. Next question, what is SARS? The right answer is option B, a disease caused by virus. Severe acute respiratory syndrome is a serious viral respiratory illness caused by a coronavirus called SARS-associated coronavirus. It is related to but distinct from the virus responsible for COVID-19. Next question. Infectious disease smallpox is caused due to. The right answer is option A, virus. Smallpox is caused by the variola virus. Specifically, there are two variants, variola major and variola minor. Variola major was the most common and deadly form, while variola minor caused a milder illness. Next question. In the context of the spread of germs by fecal matter, which of the following does not figure in the F diagram? The right answer is option D, fungi. The F diagram, which stands for fecal oral transmission diagram, illustrates the various pathways through which germs can spread from feces to the mouth, thereby causing infection. It focuses on 5 key elements that are fingers, flies, fields, fluids, and food. Next question. Foot and mouth disease in animal is caused by. The right answer is option B, virus. This virus is aphthovirus that cause foot and mouth disease in animals. Mosaic disease of tobacco is caused due to. The right answer is option A, virus. Mosaic disease of tobacco is caused by the tobacco mosaic virus TMV. This virus is highly stable and infectious, affecting a wide range of plants, especially those in the Solanaceae family like tobacco, tomato, and pepper. TMV is known for its ability to survive on surfaces for extended periods and easily spread through human handling, contaminated tools, and even tobacco products. Next question. Anthrax is caused by. The right answer is option B, bacteria. Anthrax is caused by the bacterium Bacillus anthracis. Amoeba acquires its food through the process of. The right answer is option A, endocytosis. Which bacteria convert nitrites to nitrates? The right answer is option C, Nitrobacter. Nitrite oxidizing bacteria, specifically those belonging to the genera Nitrobacter and Nitrospira, convert nitrites to nitrates in the nitrogen cycle. These bacteria play a crucial role in the second step of nitrification, oxidizing nitrite to nitrate. This process releases energy that the bacteria use for growth and reproduction. Next question, what are archaebacteria? The right answer is option A, earlier known organisms. Next question, hyphae are. The right answer is option B, thin threads formed by many fungi. Hyphae are the long branching thread-like filaments that make up the bodies of most fungi and some actinobacteria. They are the fundamental structures responsible for fungal growth and nutrient absorption. A mass of hyphae is called mycelium, which is the visible fungal body, often appearing as a network of threads. H1N1 virus is sometimes mentioned in the news with reference to which one of the following diseases? The right answer is option D, swine flu. The H1N1 virus is a specific type of influenza A virus that was previously known as swine flu due to its initial identification in pigs. While it is now included in the seasonal flu vaccine and considered a regular flu virus, the term swine flu is still used in reference to H1N1. Two bacteria found to be very useful in genetic engineering experiment are. The right answer is option B, Escherichia and Agrobacterium. Two bacteria, Escherichia coli and Agrobacterium tumefaciens, are widely used in genetic engineering experiments. E. coli is favored for its short generation time and ability to produce numerous plasmid copies, while Agrobacterium is known for its natural ability to transfer DNA into plant cell. What is plasmid in bacteria? The right answer is option A, extra chromosomal material. A plasmid is a small circular DNA molecule found in bacteria that exists separately from the main bacterial chromosome. It replicates independently and can carry various genes, often conferring beneficial traits like antibiotic resistance. Since it's not part of the primary chromosome, it's considered extra chromosomal. What does the cell wall of algae made up of? The right answer is option C, cellulose. This is the primary structural component of algal cell walls. Similar to plants, it's a polysaccharide composed of long chains of glucose units. Which one of symbiotic algae is found in secretory cells of Hydra? The right answer is option A, Zoochlorella. It is a type of green algae often identified as chlorella. These algae live within the hydra's cells and form a mutualistic relationship where the algae provide the hydra with oxygen and nutrients through photosynthesis, and the hydra offers a protected environment and access to sunlight. Where is microbial type culture collection center situated? The right answer is option A, Chandigarh. The Microbial Type Culture Collection Center (MTCC) is located in Chandigarh, India, within the Institute of Microbial Technology (IMTech). The MTCC is funded by the Department of Biotechnology and the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research (CSIR). Iodine is obtained from. The right answer is option A, Laminaria. It is a type of brown algae and a rich source of iodine. It is also known as kelp. The iodine extracted from Laminaria is used in various applications including dietary supplements and industrial processes. What are kelps? The right answer is option B, marine algae rich in iodine. Kelps are the type of large brown algae that live in the ocean and are known for their high iodine content, often found in cold, nutrient-rich waters. Which of the following is the biggest single-celled organism? The right answer is option B, Acetabularia. It is a genus of green algae that can grow to relatively large sizes, making it the largest single-celled organism known. Which of these algae is very rich in protein? The right answer is option B, chlorella. It is a single-celled algae often touted for its high protein content, containing around 50 to 60% protein by weight, making it a valuable source of complete protein with all essential amino acids. Which is the smallest organism capable of autonomous growth and reproduction? The right answer is option C, Mycoplasma. It's a parasitic bacterium found in the urinary and genital tracts of primates. Mycoplasmas are unique for their small size and lack of a cell wall. Which of the following is used as biofertilizer in the production of crop paddy? The right answer is option A, blue-green algae. Blue-green algae have the ability to fix atmospheric nitrogen, which is crucial for plant growth, making them a valuable addition to paddy fields. Which of the following unicellular algae are used as source of oxygen in space research? The right answer is option C, chlorella. It is a single-celled green algae that can efficiently convert carbon dioxide into oxygen through photosynthesis, making it ideal for generating breathable air in closed environments like spacecraft. Red color of Red Sea is due to. The right answer is option B, algae. The Red Sea's reddish appearance is primarily caused by seasonal blooms of a type of cyanobacteria called Trichodesmium erythraeum. These blooms occur when the algae multiply rapidly, and when they die off, they can turn the water a reddish brown color. While the Red Sea isn't always red, these blooms are frequent enough to give the sea its name. Free-floating seaweed which covers thousands of hectares in the part of North Atlantic Ocean is. The right answer is option D, sargassum. Specifically, this seaweed is often associated with the Sargasso Sea, a region in the North Atlantic named for the sargassum that grows there. Large blooms of sargassum can also form a great Atlantic sargassum belt that drifts towards the Caribbean, Gulf of Mexico, and Florida coasts, causing ecological and economic impacts. Agar-agar is obtained from. The right answer is option B, algae. Agar-agar is obtained from red algae. Specifically, it's a jelly-like substance extracted from the cell walls of certain species of red algae. These algae are sometimes referred to as agarophytes. Which of the following are algae? The right answer is option A, ulva. This is the genus of green algae commonly known as sea lettuce. Which of the following protozoan disease is transmitted by bite of tsetse fly? The right answer is option A, sleeping sickness, also known as African trypanosomiasis. This disease is caused by a parasite called Trypanosoma brucei, which is transmitted to humans through the bite of an infected tsetse fly. What does the cell wall of fungi made up of? The right answer is option D, chitin and hemicellulose. So friends, today's question is, what is penicillium? Please write your answer in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you soon.